In this video, I'm going to help you stop trading your time for money and get out of that mindset you've been brainwashed into, because I was once in your position and now my whole mindset's changed. So we're going to go over three main topics in this video. One, what keeps most people stuck trading their time for money? Two, what's the one thing you need to stop trading your time for money? And three, what's the easiest way to set up making money in your sleep today? I'm not going to lie. My laptop and my camera are on 5%, so we're going to go straight to the point. The first things first is the school trap. Once upon a time, you were at school, you were taught, raise your hand. You were taught, ask to go to the bathroom. And yeah, don't get me wrong. When you were younger, you were a kid. Yeah, that's important because, well, you're a kid, right? But we did the same thing in middle school and high school. We had to ask to go to lunch, or we were told when to go to lunch. We were told when we get out of school. We were told when to be at school. They pre-programmed us to listen to a schedule that we didn't even set ourselves, already making your brain think that, hey, I can't create a schedule to myself. I can't stick to it. Somebody has to tell me when to do something productive. And they got to tell me when to stop doing something that's unproductive. The key thing, if you want to stop trading your time for money, is dictate what's productive that makes me money without trading time for it, and what's unproductive. For example, yes, you may have a 9 to 5, and that's great. You're making money while trading your time. But when you clock out, you stop making money. But when you get home, do you watch Netflix? When you get home, do you scroll on your phone? When you get home, are you consuming more YouTube than you are producing content? I fell into this trap a million times. We need to be producers more than consumers. So if you've made it this far, say I'm a producer in the comment section down below, because switching your mindset to a producer from being a consumer, you're gonna start asking yourself the question, is this action helping me move forward with making money without trading time for it? Topic number 2 that we're going to go over is, what's the one thing you need to stop trading your time for money with? Let's be honest here. If you want to escape the rat race, you need something called an asset, something that's going to work for you while you're not working for it. For example, and this is literally like what we were about to tap into number 3, and I'm going to show you how to start this. But this YouTube video right now, I'm not gonna lie, it's Sunday and it's 10:42 p.m. I could be in bed. I'm gonna wake up at like 4 or 5 o'clock. But this video that I'm making right now is probably gonna take me 8 minutes. Like, this 8 minutes is gonna repeat every time somebody clicks on this video, which makes it an asset for me. YouTube is gonna eventually pay me once I become monetized. And, well, I have something called the Profit Chaser Club. And this is exactly where I help you have a 7-day process with a 7-day trial to set up these systems that I'm using to make money online. And I don't have to trade my time for money for it. So you can learn how to do the same thing if you choose to, using the link in the description down below or the comment section. But every time that somebody watches my video and says, I want to join the Profit Chasers Club, I love Jay's energy, I love the things that he gives me as far as knowledge, and I want to learn how to do this for myself, then people are going to join. And that is a second asset that I'm earning because I'm pouring my energy into an asset. And that leads me to point number 3, which is, what is the easiest way to set up making money in your sleep today? Getting straight to the point before my laptop dies, you need to sell one digital product online that solves a problem you already know how to solve. So you probably know how to tie your shoes, but nobody's going to pay you to show them how to tie their shoes, because people who have money probably know how to tie their shoes. But what people who have money don't know how to do sometimes are cut their own hair, or get in the best shape of their lives, or prepare to be a parent. We use something called the GAP system that helps us solve other people's problems that have money. Now, the GAP system, GAP, stands for what did you gain from an action you took and what progress did you make? Which means there was a certain point where you had a problem that you didn't know how to solve, and whether you paid somebody to help you solve it or you learned it with your own life experiences, then now you can repeat that by helping other people who have the same old problem that you used to have and showing them how you gained something from having an action that you took, or actions, and you made progress with it. You don't need to be an expert. I know this. I'm not a millionaire. I'm just like you. And I've made over $1,000, or not $1,000, but $100,000 online by selling digital products, by teaching people one of 2 things. 1 is either fitness, or 2, making money online. I started with teaching people how to lose weight and build muscle. I never became a certified coach. Don't even know how to do CPR. I never had to lose weight in my life. And I taught people how to have the body of their dreams because I just knew how to be consistent in the gym, do the right exercises, and eat the right foods. And I've helped hundreds of people. And after I learned how to make money online as a fitness coach, I then grew the passion of teaching people how to make money online, because at a certain point, my business slowed down in the fitness industry. And so I fell in love with learning how to talk to the camera, how to create content, how to turn a viewer into someone who actually wants to buy from you with knowledge you already have. So if you want to learn how to do this, I do have something called the Profit Chasers Club. You get a 7-day free trial using the link in the description down below or in the comment section down below. I will see you inside of there, or you can just watch the next video wherever it's popping up here, and you can learn a little bit more about how to stop trading your time for money so you can get freedom. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.